Saturday, May 7th.
So pretty.
It's punchline sinker time. See you out there. Saturday, May 7th. Derail Haskins here with Mixmaster Ivan, and as you can see,
you mean like
adolescent apprentice Ivan and Master Pete in front of us. And they're within. We gather here today for a fishing adventure. Let's go. So let's see, where are we at? Oh God. You know, let's reset that brake. Alright. Whoa! I'll tell you what. Waffle ploppers. Ooh, we're getting there. We ain't there yet. And that's what we're looking for, girls and boys. Alright. And now, here's something we hope you'll realize. Hi-ho!
Fish already!
I soon realized that with his first cast on his first baitcaster, Ivan had already outfished me. It was everything in me not to drop F-bombs and A-bombs.
Know what A-bomb means?
Certainly, A-bomb is what some people call our program.
Hi-ho!
Oh! Fish already!
Yeah! And he caught himself a bass. Just as I cast. Look at what he got there, bros.
Fifth cast and I already got myself.
That's a smallmouth.
Fifth cast!
Dang, beat me to it too.
I beat me, you got it.
Yeah. And smile for the camera. Yeah. As we showed you once before, we got new gear. Some of which is newer than others, but I think I'm gonna venture over yon. Adventure yon with me with Derail on Punchline and Sinker. Might make that into a short. That's pretty cool.
In a word, you said it.
That's 3 words.
I'm a heavy tipper.
Dude, I am loving casting this. Pretty much the same Black Max as what I used to have, but ooh. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is a Derail fail.
While Derail gets his affairs in order, let's move on to a segment I'd like to call On the Fence with Pete from Punchline and Sinker.
And we're done. Da, da, da. It's because of the weight of this. I should be using the open face reel. She scoops, she scores. Ivan. Hey, Ivan and Pete. Right here. Something is bedding right here. Ugh. Right there. In this area. All around there. Splashdown, but he's over the... Oh, yep. He's doing a fail. Uh-oh. I'm in the danger zone now. Slowly back away.
Shut up.
Drop what you're doing. Tell an adult. We're going streaking! Oh, God. Oh, hey, not bad. Not good, though. This isn't gonna work. They're not gonna hear any of that chum. They won't hear me chumming. Chummity chum. Plus, I'm being so damn light with it, I can't get it to actually cast out there. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, boys and girls, I did it. Damn it. No, not my whopper flopper. Come on, girl. We'll see my whopper flopper. Why, Lord Jesus? Yep. There she went. Fairly well. Plopper of whopper. Do my big whopper ploppers.
No,
Got eaten by the bush.
Oh no, really?
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah.
You know where it's at? When it warms up, if it's still
There.
down there, I'll go to get it.
It's over there.
Get me a free whopper flopper.
Up to you, I live right down the street. I'm a grab. It's not free to me. Well, again. Oh, that tree's, oh man, that tree's hungry.
Everybody's
Oh, looks like I'm gonna be getting a lot of
Dang, man.
freebies.
Luckily, I only lost a hook and a jelly.
I don't want none of that. We're gonna be doing great.
That sucks for you guys. I'm having good luck today.
Yeah, I know, right?
Caught a fish and got mine out. All I really
Come on, guys. Frame's over here.
Oh.
These guys. Look.
Looks like
I was the only one that
professional
caught
one
a fish
can't-
today.
Professional one can't catch a fish, but then somehow I get lucky.
Yeah, you had the worst luck today, even though you caught a fish.
What? I lost a $15 lure.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
You lost the $9 lure, and well, we got to take the Baitcaster, the octane, apart to fix it. So.
Oh, well, I mean, is that really bad luck for him, or is that going to be bad luck? We'll see you next time on Punchline Sinker. Derail and Ivan, and Uncle Pete signing out.
What a day. Though their spirits started out on high, false hope, failure, and fatigue soon took over. But just like a set of gonads after a vasectomy, these guys will be back in the sack in no time. But before you go, do us a favor. Hit that like button, snag subscribe, leave us a comment, and we'll be sure to see you next time on Punchline and Sinker, only on YouTube.